Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get NFL Redzone with YouTube TV, guys. It's very easy. So, you just need to add this NFL Redzone with Sports Plus, your YouTube TV membership. Okay? And this only comes at an extra cost of a $10.99 per month. That's the monthly fee. So this is how you do it, guys. You just sign in, okay, through YouTube TV. Go to youtubetv.com and log in. Then you click on your avatar in the upper right corner, go to your settings, then go to membership. Then here you just add Sports Plus. You find the NFL Redzone with Sports Plus add-on and you add it to your membership. And then you just follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Okay, remember it is an extra $10.99 per month. What you can also do, guys, is open up a YouTube TV app on your smart TV. Go to store, click on the store icon next to your profile photo at the top right, and then just select the add-on, okay? Select the NFL Redzone with Sports Plus add-on and confirm, okay? And complete the purchase, right? And it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provides value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.